Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you my boots. They came back from the Cobbler. I wasn't sure if I left 5 pair or 4, but the Cobbler, he noted that I had just 4 pair. So it is okay, just the 4 pair fixed and just like new. Today I'm not wearing any gloves just because I would like to show you a few of my beautiful rings. Just I am not really a jewelry person. I'm not wearing jewelry often, but I think because for me it is really hard. Just sometimes I'm wearing many zips, like I'm wearing the leather jacket or any dresses or something, and they have zips already. And this is actually like sometimes I feel too much wearing the gold zips around the on my chest, for example. I've got the zips everywhere in the, I don't know, the gold color or silver. And then if I will wear extra jewelry or in the same color, like the silver or gold, or I will wear just mix, which is okay. I think that sometimes I feel it is just too much, and maybe just one nice necklace, very delicate one, like maybe very short. If you're wearing something really high, then maybe the short one. So on my other hand, I've got a few rings. They are tiger eye, and some they are pearl crystals, and this is kind of the stone. I have to say that this is the real gold, and some of them they are not real gold, but anyway, I really like them. And I've got these rings for a really long time. This one, it is from the H&M, and I really love this color. It is nice, really light green, and I just love it. So I think that if we are not wearing any gloves, we can wear the rings, and many rings as you want, just to have our hands like nice decorated. Something like this. Anyway, I really love it, and I think that any nice long earrings could be really good. Just nice and long, you know, nothing like something very visible, but something on the ear. Let me show you the boots, the fixed boots that I am impressed. Just I was really sad about my Louboutin because I found them really damaged after my walk, I think month ago. I don't know how this cobbler make it, and I feel like I pay to him not enough. Really, I have to come back and just give him something extra, or just I don't know, just I have to check more pairs and come back to him with definitely more pair of my boots and pay a little bit more, because his job, it is fabulous. I paid only 25 Polish zloty for changing tips and fixing the heel, which I really damaged so bad. I pay only 35, so it is all less than 10 euro. I remember the prices of the heel tips like 10 years ago in England, like 12 or 15 pounds for one pair of the boots. And I'm pretty sure that they won't fix the heel for that price, or just a little bit up, like for the 20 pounds. I don't know, let me know the prices of the fixing heels at your country, because I'm pretty sure that they are much higher. So still here, it is a real problem that I can fix my heels really cheap. So my first pair, they are Moda Impella, of course, boots which I damaged the heel really bad, but you cannot see a difference. They look like new. I hope that you can see it. It is really hard to show you this, and I think that I should make the side videos, but anyway, they look like new, so I'm really happy about. They will come back to my wardrobe now. They are also Moda Impella. Cobbler, he fixed the heels, but look at this. Oh, they are really, it looks like new. I can't believe it. It doesn't mean that I can damage them again. I don't have to worry a lot about the heels anymore, because I know that he will make it. I really regret that I didn't ask what we can do with the sole, because he could put something on. Don't you think? That could be a really good idea to put something on. Louboutin. I should have something on them. So they also, I damaged them also really, really bad. And you know, the cobblestones, they are really bad sometimes. So you can see how they look now. So job, it is really, really good. Now, a main hero of the old boots. Who remember these heels, how I damaged them? If I will find a just little piece of the video that I made last month or 2 months ago, I don't remember, but I think it was June, when I walk in the beautiful sunny day in my beige dress with these boots. I think that I show you. You can see a little bit there how these heels, I damaged them so bad. I have metal here, and this I found really damaged, the red leather inside. So no, really, they look incredible. I really, really love them. So I can walk in them again. Just like I said, I have to take next time when I will be fixing the heels, I have to think about put something on the sole, any protection tape or something, just to make them really, really nice. So I don't know. These they are kind of the suede, but this is not the same suede like these boots. They are more like fluffy. I don't know if you can see it. This is different. Just I need to find this green dress in suede maybe. So I really love these boots too, because they are nice and colorful. You can wear anything with this. You can wear, for example, the black dress and just these boots, and they will be looking really, really beautiful. Or just the burgundy coat will be also fantastic. Where is my burgundy coat? So now I can just took my old boots to the wardrobe. I have to check my all other boots if they need any fix, and now I have to pack myself because I'm going away for a little bit. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel. So my boots came back to my wardrobe, and my wardrobe, it is full again. I don't really like the empty spaces when I'm taking my boots from my wardrobe to the cobbler, but sometimes they need kind of the fixing, so they must disappear for a little bit. As you can see, I have many more boots to fix. So this brown I will take next time. The Khazar, they are perfect. I didn't walk yet in the Khazar boots. La Silla, perfection. Then I've got Versace boots, which are okay, still good. I really love this La Silla boots, and I am happy that I can still walk in them. Sometimes heel tips, they are very weak plastic, I don't know, just very cheap plastic, and they just fell off from the first walk. And sometimes I can walk in them a few winter seasons, and they're still good. So, you know, sometimes the heel tip stay in the cobblestones and you have to walk then without, you can hear a specific sound. Stuart Weitzman have bigger heel tips, so they are really okay. For now, this is all. Thank you so much, and see you soon.